Now the example of elasticity of demand we have is, supposing the initial demand was 100 units, right? What they have given is initial quantity demanded, that is Q, they have given you as 100 units. With the rise in the price by ₹5, that your price has changed and it has increased by ₹5, means if it was 4, it was increased by ₹5, means it has become 9, which means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, by 5 means 4 added 5. So your change in price is given to you as 5. The quantity demanded decreases by 5 units, which means the change in the quantity demanded has become -5, which means your new quantity you can find out. If it has reduced by 5 units, initially it was 5, now it has reduced by 5, which means 95 units. So change in your quantity demanded is Q1 minus Q, that is -5, right? Elasticity of demand is given to you now is 1.2. Find out the price before the change in demand. Now, your elasticity of demand formula is minus P by Q into change in Q by change in P, right? So, elasticity of demand is given to you as 1.2. Your price is not given, your initial quantity is given you 100, your change in quantity is given -5, your change in price is given 5. So this is cancelled by this 1, minus minus becomes plus. So 1 by 2 is equal to price by 100. So we can calculate it as 1 by 2 into 100 is equal to your price. So your price is 120. So with this we analyze that we've got the answer that your initial price is ₹120, means before the change in demand. If he would have asked find out the price after the change in demand, would have been there is rise in the price by ₹5, means your new price or P1 would have been 120 plus 5, which gives you ₹125. So I hope you have understood this example. Now the other numerical we have is the demand by a consumer for a commodity declines by 10%, which means they have given you the percentage change in quantity demanded as it has fallen down, as it has declined, means -10%. When its price rise from 5 to 6, the initial price, P, not P1, P is ₹5, P1 is ₹6, so your change in price is given 6 minus 5 means 1. So you can find out the percentage change in price from this. How you find out the percentage? Your change in price upon your initial price into 100. So your change in price is 1, initial price is 5 and it is 100, so 20%. Right? So we can find out the elasticity of demand by the formula minus percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in price. Your percentage change in quantity demanded was minus 10%. With percentage change in price was 20. See, percentage and percentage you take, it will be cancelled. It will be 100. So 100 and 100 will be cancelled. So you do not take percentage in this way. So it is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Right? So your elasticity of demand is less than 1, which means less than unity. Right? Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.